Thanks for watching my video. Today we are going to remove the rear wheel on a Ducati M1100 Monster. So this wheel removal procedure is about the same for any of the smaller hub bikes, the 848, the Multistrada, this Monster, 916s, 996. So any of the bikes that have the small hub, the 1098, the 1198, this is not the same. Well, it's the same procedure, but different tools. So you can see how extremely hard it is for me to get this nut off. This wheel's never been off the bike before. Right now I have a wrench with a 6-foot breaker bar, and that's just insane. That tells me that this wheel nut was not torqued to specification. And even with just a 1/2-inch Craftsman wrench, I can't break it free. So I put my snap-on breaker bar on there and break it a little bit loose, and then I'll be able to twist that off. And once you get that nut out of the way, there'll be another little washer, and then the little spacer that the wheel rides on. Just pull the wheel off and you're ready to change the tire. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button.